Does your header or footer looks fine on one page then completely changes on the next? This usually happens because of one hidden setting, and here's the fastest way to fix it in Word. You see this? You have a header here, says header company 1. But when you go to page 2, you get header different company issue. So it means the two headers are different. To address this issue, the first thing you have to double tap or double click on the header section. And you should check this setting. If the first page looks different, check whether a different first page is turned on. And to know this, you just look at here. If the page is named, it means it is not selected as the different first page. But in that case, if another section is different, like now you get the 3 different company issue, this is usually the reason. So you double click on page 2, which say different, then you go here, link to previous. If you want it to be the same, you click link to previous, then you say yes. So the previous header and this header will be same. We scroll through to the next header again, say link to the previous. It changes automatically. So the quick fix is check different first page, and if that's not the culprit, then check the link previous page. If it's not turned on, it means individual pages have different headers. That solves most header and footer problems in Word. Kindly follow, like, and subscribe for more quick word fixes like this.